Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to do a ping test on Windows. Ping is the primary TCP IP command used to troubleshoot connectivity, reachability, and name resolution. To ping an IP address in the command prompt, you can do the following. To open the command prompt, press Windows key and R button, then typing CMD, press enter. Type ping in the command prompt window, give space, then IP address you want to ping. Press enter to review the ping results. That's it, very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.